Assam and Mizoram are holding their first interstate border talks since November 2022. Well, the crucial meet, which is also the first talks after the ZPM government led by Lal Duhoma came to power in Mizoram, is being held at the State Guest House in Aizawl. A delegation led by Assam Border Protection and Development Minister Atul Bora landed in Aizawl this afternoon on what is being called a goodwill mission to carry forward the talks to resolve the decades-old interstate border issue between the two states. Apart from Atul Bora, Principal Secretary Border G.D. Tripathi and Secretary Border Prabhati Thausin, among others, are also part of the Assam delegation. The Mizoram side is being led by Home Minister K. Sabdanga along with Minister of State for Land Revenue and Settlement B. Lalchand Zoba. The meet began shortly before 5 p.m. and is still underway. Well, it may be mentioned that on July 30th, Mizoram Home Minister K. Sabdanga had said border dispute will be settled through dialogue as suggested by Mizoram Chief Minister Lal Duhoma and former Chief Minister Zoramthanga. The border dispute involves three Mizoram districts, Aizawl, Kolasib and Mamit, which share a 164.6 kilometer boundary with Assam's Kachar, Karimganj and Hailakandi districts. The dispute originates from two colonial-era demarcations, the 1875 notification under the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation and the 1933 survey of India map. Well, Mizoram claims that 509 square miles within the inner line reserve forest as per the 1875 notification falls within its territory, while Assam regards the 1933 map as its constitutional boundary. Consequently, some areas within the reserve forest now fall under Assam and parts of the 1933 demarcation are on the Mizoram side. Several rounds of talks, including three ministerial meetings since August 2021, have been held with agreements to maintain peace along the boundary and resolve the dispute through dialogue. In the most recent talks in Guwahati in November 2022, Mizoram was tasked with providing details on villages, areas, geospatial extent and ethnicity within 3 months to support its claim. Mizoram has submitted information identifying 62 villages in the disputed area as being within its territory or within the extent of the inner line reserved forest. The Assam delegation, which will halt in Aizawl for the night, will meet Mizoram Chief Minister Lal Duhoma tomorrow morning before departing for Guwahati. All right, we have a breaking news coming in. The interstate border talks between the Assam and Mizoram delegation has just concluded. So the first meet between the states since November 2022 has concluded at the State Guest House in Aizawl. So we will bring to you shortly the details and announcement from the meet. So breaking news coming in, viewers. The interstate border talks between the Assam and Mizoram delegation has just concluded. So the first meet between the states since November 2022 has concluded at the State Guest House in Aizawl. So we will bring you the details shortly and also the announcement from the meet very shortly.